Hello viewers, welcome again to Akafala Kitchen. Today we are going to do a delicious crunchy buns. Here we have our ingredients. We have our flour. This is our flour. We have our egg. We have our butter. We have our baking powder, our salt, sugar, and water. These are the measurements. We're going to see 4 cups of flour. So you can see it. You can see why we sieve it. Because of these debts. You don't need the debts. You can see it here. You can see the debt, and also to allow air to come into it. So we throw this one away. Next thing we are going to do, we are going to add our salt. You can see my measurement. 1/2 spoon of salt, 7 spoons of baking powder. You've done it. Make sure your hands are clean. Next thing we'll do, we are going to add is our butter. Enough for it. You mix it. Set this one aside. You make sure you mix the butter very well. So the next one you add is your sugar. Grate a hole. You put 5 spoons of sugar. It's okay. 5 spoons of sugar. Next thing, you add 1 piece of an egg. Next thing, you add your water, like 2 cups of water. Before you finish it, make sure you can see the texture here. So I'm going to wring it out on my working table. I'll mix it thoroughly to get the fine texture. And so you can now see our dough. This is the texture it's supposed to be. Can you see it? It's not thick, it's not too thick, and it's not too light. So let's start molding it. You mold it to your desired shape. Yes, as you can see, these are balls of buns. So I'm going ahead to fry it. So I have my oil inside my frying pan. Let's go ahead and put the dough. Right now we have our brown color buns, crunchy buns here. So let's bring it out. It's ready. Our buns, crunchy buns is ready to eat. You can see our buns is ready here. Our crunchy buns. See how good looking it is. So if you like this video, please subscribe and like us. Till see again. Bye.